Yes, right after the first episode on Catbird. Hollow has done another episode of Catbird. Now, from the name and the area I'm in, this is the boss fight of Murda. So I'm about to beat Murda, and there he is! Okay, so watch this epic bossing. Beat him. Music! Go!
How long will that be?
Be quiet. Okay. I'm brand new! I'm back. Hey guys, I'm back. Just sister difficulties. Kitty cat wants me to show something, obviously, again. Besides that, here's the story bit. Here's a story bit. Please don't skip this story. No, it doesn't. Oh, no. It's basically what the meaning. She's sleeping by a tree, and this is basically what happens. And something hits a world like that, and now has boo-boo on it. Spots. Grassy. Oh, I'm talking. I'm back here. Just want to concentrate. I'm not a no commentary gaming YouTuber. I am a commentary gaming YouTuber. Yep. No! Are you kidding me? I get mad sometimes. Oh, what the heck? Oh my god. At least the music for me is peaceful. You guys can't hear it. Ah, you can hear screaming. Hi guys, I'm back. Oh jeez! Oh my god. So difficult. Okay, got that part done. Now we got this part to be done. Oh, are you kidding me? Yeah. Oh my god, I even got kicked out of the game. Out of the game. Jump. Oh! What even happened? What happened? Nothing. What the heck? Oh, I'm ready to smash something. Alright, I'm ready to smash something. He jumps this way, and we go under him when he jumps. It's like the boss fight! Mini boss fight. You're a mini boss fight. Yes! Yes! The end! Oh man, levels get way harder than that. You do not know. Okay, don't get killed yet. Hollow. Oh no! I'm really getting mad at this game. Okay, now don't jump! Okay, I'm fine. Yep, making this. Yes! There it is. The end! Yeah, man! That wasn't too difficult. Oh. I forgot about these guys. And how much they suck. Okay, you're not gonna kill me yet. Oh my god, I missed! Okay. Okay, that one wasn't too bad. That one didn't take. Oh no! Now when you die on there, you have to do this all over again, which is pretty difficult. Remember my skills! My skills! And the hard part is you have to do that again. But more of the guys are here. Nope! Just kidding. I'm bossing this! Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. I know what you do here. Go like this! What the? Go like this! Jump! Play safe! Play the game safe! Oh no! Oh, chase me! Ah! Okay, victory! Key train. Okay, is this erasing the key one? Is this the key race? No, it's not the key race one. It's the key train one. Oh no, it's the key race. Oh, it's definitely the key race. Boys! That was crazy. I had to stay on the train or you die. Oh, this is the race one. This is a race! I can't die. Did it? What? You don't touch the button. That's what it is. So the crate, so I remember I thought you had to touch the button, not touch the button. Yeah. So the crate race here, we have to race the crate before it can get to the button, because if it presses the button, it opens that, and those cannons are undodgeable. So I die if he presses it. Which, head mush. No. Back again, guys. I should have pressed the X button fast enough. Okay. Focus mode engaged. You have to go faster! So, like, right now, you gotta go. Like, oh! I'm just getting mad. You're not gonna mess with me, huh? No, no, no. No, 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 messing me with me. No, 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 messing with me. Yes! Yes! Because I'm gonna end the episode off there. Just so the time can get fair. So yeah, I'm gonna end the episode there. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.